Wake up, kids!
Mom, is it morning already?
Yes, sweetie. Today is our trip.
Trip? Forest trip?
Yes, Tom. The forest is waiting.
I feel happy.
Get dressed slowly.
I can't find my socks.
Check under the bed.
Oh, here they are.
Put food in the bag.
I packed biscuits. I packed chocolate.
Good job! Take your raincoat too.
But the sun is smiling.
The sky can change its mind. The bus is coming.
I want the window seat. Me too.
Sit close. Stay calm.
The bus is warm.
I see houses going back.
We are leaving the city.
Mom, the clouds are dark.
I see them too.
Is it rain?
Yes, rain is starting.
Tap, 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 tap.
Rain sounds nice. Close your jacket, Anna.
Who wants coffee?
I do. Me too. Made toodles and noodles.
Hot food on a rainy day feels good.
Noodles are soft.
Coffee smells nice. Eat slowly. Enjoy it.
Oops. poodle fell.
That's okay. That's okay.
Little mistakes are fine.
Look! Look! The rain is stopping!
The bus is bright again.
The sky is opening.
We are almost there. Everyone, get ready.
I feel excited. Walk slowly. The ground is wet. The air feels cool. I hear birds singing. I hear water.
That is a small stream.
Hold my hand, Tom.
Okay. I feel safe. The forest feels alive.
Rain wakes the forest.
Nature is smiling at us.
Look! A frog! It's so small! It's so small!
Be gentle. Don't touch. I feel calm here. Me too. No noise.
This place is peaceful.
Let's sit here.
I like this spot. Can we stay longer?
Of course. Yes. We have time. We have time.
Rain, bus, forest.
Everything feels perfect. Best day ever!
Trips are not about places.
They are about being together.
I love this family trip. Me too. Always.